single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, today we are going to give the recipe for rice cream. Before that, let's talk about some beauty benefits of rice. So, rice gives skin brightening, it's good for anti-aging, it's boosts skin barrier health, soothes summer damage or sun damage, mattifies all skin. If we talk about the reason why rice water is so good for your skin, is that it is rich in a lot of nutrients. For starters, around 16% of its composition consists of proteins, which are the building blocks of skin cells. It is also enriched with triglycerides, lipids, and starch, which are all responsible for enhancing skin health in various ways. Carbohydrates, inositol, phytic acid, and inorganic substances make up the rest of the composition, making rice cream an ideal DIY ingredient for achieving glowing skin. It is a Korean secret, and for this, we need very minimal ingredients. So, these are the processes which we can use as rice cream. We can use it in our daily basis, and on the other hand we can also use it like a face pack or scrub in many more ways. Now the next question come, can the rice water be left on your face overnight? Yes, you can leave the rice water on your face overnight and wash it off the next morning. You can also add some aloe vera to the overnight treatment for extra moisturization. Can Next question is, can rice cream can be used every day for the skin? Yes, you can use it. So let's start it making. So I have taken here rice powder. I have blended the rice. Before that I have washed the rice, dried it, and blended it. I have taken 2 teaspoons of raw milk and adding it to the rice powder. Note that the powder required will be according to you. How much cream you want to make, you will take that much of powder. So mixing this will create some lumps, so we will keep on adding. We will add some water and extra milk also. Now we need to strain the mixture, as it is creating some kind of lumps which is not required for the cream. We need a thin consistency and very smooth ones. So we will be straining the mixture completely. After straining, we will be back again. So after that we need to take a pan. We will be transferring the mixture to the pan, and we will turn on the gas. So here the mixture will turn into thick lump again. We will be continuously stirring it till it gives a thick paste like consistency. When we will see like this, the lumps are created, we need to switch off the stove, and our cream is ready. We need to transfer it in a bowl, let it cool down. You can add any kind of essential oils, lavender, lemongrass, or tea tree oil. Here I am adding castor oil as it suits me very well. So here I am adding 2 to 3 drops of castor oil in the mixture, and after that we will be completely mixing the thing. transfer the cream to a container and completely filling it. Keep it in a refrigerator. You can use it for more than 1 week, and you can use it daily as in mentioned before. Thanks for watching.